Today we're going to be installing a thermostat adapter for a third-party thermostat. Here's the box that it comes in. In the box is your installation manual and your thermostat adapter itself. When you're installing a thermostat adapter, you will need a 24-volt step-down transformer, which for training purposes, we've already installed one. It's in place. We'll go through the wiring, installation mounting, and your target set points that you'll need to go through in order to get this up and working correctly. All right, first we're going to mount the thermostat adapter to the wall. So we're going to go ahead and mount it to this plate. Okay, next we're going to make all our connections at the thermostat adapter. We'll start with our F3, F4 connections. You can start wherever you like, it doesn't really matter. All right, now we got everything connected. Here is our F3, F4 connections. Here is our 24-volt connections. And here is our standard heating and cooling connections. Now we finished our third-party thermostat connections. This specific one has a door that flips up to cover our wiring. Now we're going to mount our third-party thermostat to the subbase. Now we're going to go up here and go set our rotary dials for our target temperature. Okay, our first rotary dial is for our cooling temperature. Our second rotary dial is for our heating temperature. In this scenario, we set our rotary dial to 1, which is for 68 degrees, and our rotary dial 2 to 5, which is for 80 degrees. For your own comfort, please refer to your installation manual for different temperatures and settings. Now we'll put our cover on, and that concludes our video. Thank you for watching. For service manuals and other documentation, please visit our website at samsunghvac.com or use our Samsung HVAC mobile app to download any technical documentation. Thank you.